All right, YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but a lot of stuff had to happen. I just really let the car sit for about a month. I think today is like the 14th, 15th. But yeah, so I ended up kind of figuring out what was wrong with the car. I had coolant coming out the exhaust, and the last time I was driving this car before I parked it, I've seen a lot of white smoke. It was just really white smoke. And I'm thinking that I blew the head gasket on it. The head gasket and a bent valve or something like that. I know for a fact I probably did some all the above, but this time around I'm gonna do it right. This is honestly my fault, the reason why this car is down. All right, it's locked. But yeah, so I just want to give you a little update video. This video probably not gonna be long at all, but the car's about to be up soon. It's gonna be up soon. And I'm not gonna record me swapping the motor in and whatnot, but I do have another motor that I'm about to throw in the car. Just because it's repetitive, y'all probably already seen that process millions of times. There's tons of videos out there on YouTube about that. And I don't know, I just want to hurry up and get the swap done, and then I'll start filming from there. But right now I'm just chilling, so I do owe y'all like a video like this though. So it's been a month. I apologize, but you know, I was kind of fed up when this happened. I was annoyed, but you know, now it's getting taken care of. Got a motor for it, and we about to make it happen. So other than that, I appreciate y'all for coming to the video, checking it out. If y'all got any questions about M54, the M54 platform, if you about to just now get into this platform, hit me up on my Instagram. That's where I'm most active at. So when I don't post on my YouTube and you looking for some content, I'll most likely have content on my Instagram or my other videos that I uploaded. They're really good videos. I recorded with the GoPro. It's in 4K, so it was really good video. So if you find yourself wanting to get an update, because I got hella people who hit me up asking, yo, what's good with the car? What you doing? How's the build going? What's going on with the 335? And I just been chilling. So but yeah, if you got any questions, hit me up. I'll answer them, try to help you out to the best of my ability. But I'm extra happy we about to get this taken care of, get this car back on the road, actually like finish this build. I got a plan for once I do swap it. I got to take the turbos off, look at the turbos and everything to see if the turbos are good. I think the turbos are good, mainly because if they were blown, you would tell. Like when I blew my rear turbo on my E93 I had, no matter what, it would smoke hella bad, like on cold start or whatever the case may be. As soon as you start it, it would be smoking. This one, on the other hand, is not like that. And I felt like I just blew the head gasket and bent a valve and a ringlet or something like that on cylinder one. Cylinder one is literally left the chat, bro. that cylinder is gone. But yeah, so we about to get to it. I want to finish this car. Whenever I swap it, I'm gonna tell Vu I just want to start like at a low boost, probably like 18 psi or so, and I'm gonna be adding a stage 3 fuel system in it. With the I'm gonna add another 450 for my low pressure fuel system, and then I need a hob switch, and I'm gonna just wire all that up, throw it in there. But I'm currently looking for it. But until then, I'll probably leave the car on like pump gas or whatever the case may be, until I can throw the another pump in there with the hob switch, because I just don't want to have this problem happen again. And I should have did it right the first time, but I just got a lot of misinformation about that setup and what it takes to get it. It really doesn't take much, and you know, I got a decent amount of experience with these cars, so I'm excited for it. If you are, comment down below how you feeling, and thank you guys for the support. My last video almost hit like 1K, and I read all the comments, so I really do appreciate y'all, you know, showing love and sending me, you know, motivation to keep going, because you know I really do it for y'all. So, but I'm gonna check out, bro. I'm gonna mess around, and I just don't even know what to say, bro. As you can see, I can't even get my words together, but that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. All right.